They saw you coming from a mile away. The moment you pulled into that Hyundai service center, dollar signs appeared in their eyes. You trusted them because they're the official dealership, the authorized service center, the experts who supposedly know your vehicle better than anyone. But that trust? It's costing you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs, fabricated problems, and outright scams. I'm about to expose the most common scams that Hyundai service centers are running right now. These aren't rumors. These are documented tactics that mechanics have admitted to using and that countless owners have fallen victim to. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself, what questions to ask, and how to spot these scams before they empty your wallet. Scam number 1. The Phantom Transmission Flush. This is one of the most lucrative scams in the service department playbook, and it targets your transmission. You bring your Hyundai in for a routine oil change. Everything seems normal until the service advisor comes back with a concerned look. They tell you that during their inspection, they noticed your transmission fluid looks dark or contaminated. They recommend an immediate transmission flush. The cost? Anywhere from $300 to $600. Here's the problem. Most modern Hyundais have sealed transmissions with lifetime fluid that never needs changing under normal driving conditions. Hyundai's official maintenance schedule doesn't call for transmission flushes at regular intervals for most models. The fluid they're claiming looks dirty might be perfectly normal, or they might not have even checked it at all. They're banking on your fear that transmission problems are expensive, so you'll pay for the flush to avoid a catastrophe that was never going to happen. But it gets worse. Performing an unnecessary transmission flush can actually harm your transmission, especially if it has high mileage and the original fluid has never been changed. Flushing can dislodge debris that's been sitting in the transmission pan, sending it through the system and potentially causing real damage. The way to protect yourself is simple. Before agreeing to any transmission service, check Hyundai's official maintenance schedule for your specific model and mileage. If transmission service isn't listed as due, decline. If they push back with scare tactics, ask them to show you the actual condition of the fluid and explain why it needs changing when Hyundai doesn't recommend it. A legitimate service center will respect your decision. A scam operation will pressure you harder. Scam number 2. The cabin air filter markup scheme. This scam is so common, it's become almost standard practice. You're in for regular service, and the advisor mentions that your cabin air filter is dirty and needs replacement. They quote you $50 to $80. You agree because cabin air quality matters. What you don't know is that you just got robbed. A cabin air filter for most Hyundai models costs $15 to $25 at any auto parts store. Installing it takes about 3 minutes and requires zero tools in most cases. You open a glove compartment or access panel, slide out the old filter, slide in the new one, and you're done. But the dealership just charged you $50 to $80 for a part that costs them maybe $10 wholesale. Here's what makes this scam particularly insidious. In many cases, the service technician doesn't even replace the filter. They show you a dirty filter, you approve the service, and they either reinstall the same dirty filter or don't touch it at all. You drive away thinking you have a fresh filter, but your wallet is $50 lighter. Some dealerships recommend cabin air filter replacement at absurdly short intervals. They'll tell you it needs changing every 6 months. The actual recommendation from Hyundai? Once a year or every 15,000 miles for most driving conditions. The solution is to take control of this maintenance yourself. Search online for your model and year-plus cabin air filter replacement and watch a 2-minute video. Buy the filter yourself for $20, install it in your driveway, and save hundreds per year. If you must have the dealership do it, bring your own filter and pay only for installation. Scam number 3. The engine oil upgrade upsell. You're sitting in the waiting area and the service advisor approaches. They explain that while Hyundai recommends conventional oil for your vehicle, they strongly suggest upgrading to synthetic or full synthetic oil. They list all the benefits including better engine protection, longer intervals, improved fuel economy, and enhanced performance. The upgrade costs an extra $40 to $60 per oil change. It sounds smart, but here's what they're not telling you. Your Hyundai engine was specifically designed and tested with a particular oil specification. For most models, that's either conventional oil or a synthetic blend. The engineers who built your engine knew exactly what it needed. If full synthetic was necessary or significantly beneficial, it would be specified in your owner's manual. The fact that it's optional should tell you something important. It's not necessary. The synthetic oil upsell is pure profit margin expansion. Synthetic oil does last longer and perform slightly better under extreme conditions, but if you're following Hyundai's recommended oil change intervals, conventional oil is perfectly adequate. You're paying a premium for a benefit you'll never actually realize. Some service centers claim that using conventional oil will void your warranty or cause engine damage. This is categorically false. As long as you use oil that meets Hyundai's specifications, which includes conventional oil of the correct grade, your warranty remains fully intact. If you want to use synthetic oil for your own peace of mind, that's your choice. But don't let a service advisor pressure you with false claims. Check your owner's manual for the specified oil type and stick with it. You'll save hundreds of dollars over the life of your vehicle. Scam number 4. The brake fluid contamination con. This scam preys on your lack of knowledge about brake systems and your fear of brake failure. You're in for routine maintenance, and the advisor tells you they've tested your brake fluid and found it contaminated with moisture. They explain that moisture lowers the boiling point, reduces braking effectiveness, and can cause brake failure. They recommend a complete brake fluid flush immediately. The cost is typically between $100 and $200. Here's the reality. Brake fluid does absorb moisture over time and should eventually be replaced. However, Hyundai's recommended interval is typically every 3 years or 30,000 miles, not whenever a service center decides to test it. The test they're performing is often either inaccurate, misinterpreted, or completely fabricated. Many dealerships use a simple test strip or electronic tester that measures moisture content. These devices can give false readings. Some advisors will show you a reading in a yellow or caution zone and present it as requiring immediate service, when in reality it simply means the fluid should be monitored and changed at the next scheduled interval. The most brazen version involves no testing at all. The advisor simply tells you the fluid is contaminated based on visual inspection or because your vehicle has reached a certain mileage. To protect yourself, know your vehicle's service history. If your brake fluid was changed within the last 2 to 3 years, it almost certainly doesn't need changing again. If the advisor insists it's necessary, ask them to show you the actual test results and explain the readings. Ask them to reference Hyundai's official maintenance schedule. A legitimate concern will be supported by documentation. A scam will be supported by pressure tactics. Scam number 5. The battery replacement rush job. Your car starts fine. You've had no electrical issues whatsoever, but you're at the dealership for an oil change, and suddenly the advisor is telling you that your battery tested weak and needs immediate replacement. They show you a printout with numbers and graphs that mean nothing to you. They warn that if you don't replace it now, you could be stranded. The replacement cost? $200 to $300 for a battery you could buy for $80 elsewhere. Battery scams work because batteries are mysterious to most people. They do eventually fail, and the fear of being stranded is powerful. Service centers exploit this by testing batteries under conditions designed to make them appear weaker than they are, misrepresenting test results, or recommending replacement based on age alone. Modern battery testers measure voltage, cold cranking amps, and internal resistance. However, these tests can be affected by the battery's state of charge, temperature, and how the test is performed. A battery that's slightly discharged might test poorly but be perfectly healthy. Some advisors will show you a yellow or marginal result and treat it as a failing grade. The age-based recommendation is particularly common. They'll tell you that batteries typically last 3 to 5 years, and since yours is 4 years old, you should replace it proactively. While batteries don't last forever, many perform perfectly well for 6 or 7 years under normal conditions. Here's how to avoid this scam. If your car starts reliably every time and your electrical accessories work normally, your battery is probably fine. If the service center insists it needs replacement, drive to a parts store like AutoZone, where they'll test your battery for free with no pressure to buy. If that free test shows your battery is healthy, you've just avoided a $300 scam. Scam number 6. The alignment adjustment illusion. This is one of the most invisible scams because it's nearly impossible for customers to verify whether the service was actually performed. You're told during your visit that your vehicle's alignment is off and needs adjustment. The symptoms they describe are vague, like uneven tire wear you can't see yet, or pulling you haven't noticed. The service costs between $100 and $200. You approve it. The advisor comes back an hour later and tells you everything's perfect now. Here's the uncomfortable truth. In many cases, nothing was done at all. Your vehicle was driven into the service bay, the technician checked the alignment measurements, found them within specification, and reported it as complete without making any adjustments. Or worse, they didn't even check it. They just charged you for the service. Some service centers have sophisticated alignment machines that print out before and after reports. But these reports can be manipulated or fabricated. The technician can input false numbers, or they can show you a report from a different vehicle entirely. Unless you personally witnessed your car on the alignment rack, you have no way to verify the service occurred. The recommendation itself is often bogus. Alignment doesn't need to be performed on a schedule like oil changes. It only needs adjustment if you've hit something significant like a curb or pothole, if your tires are wearing unevenly, or if the vehicle pulls consistently to one side. If none of these conditions exist, your alignment is probably fine. Protect yourself by never agreeing to alignment service unless you're experiencing actual symptoms. If the service center recommends it during a routine visit, ask them to show you specific evidence that it's needed. If they can't provide concrete evidence, decline the service. The truth they don't want you to know. Here's what really happens at most dealership service centers. Technicians and service advisors work under intense pressure to meet sales targets and generate revenue. They're not just mechanics fixing cars. They're salespeople whose income depends on how much service they can sell you. Some dealerships set daily or weekly quotas for specific high-profit services. If advisors don't meet these quotas, they face consequences. This system creates an environment where honest service takes a back seat to profitable service. The advisor who tells you that your car is fine and only needs an oil change doesn't earn a commission. The advisor who finds 3 additional services gets a bonus. Not every service center operates this way. There are honest dealerships and dedicated professionals who genuinely care about doing right by customers. But the financial incentives create an environment where scams flourish. You now know the 6 most common scams running at Hyundai service centers. The phantom transmission flush that targets sealed transmissions. The cabin air filter markup that charges $50 for a 3-minute job. The engine oil upgrade upsell that pushes unnecessary synthetic oil. The brake fluid contamination con that fabricates moisture problems. The battery replacement rush job that preys on your fear of being stranded. And the alignment adjustment illusion that charges you for service that never happened. Armed with this knowledge, you can protect yourself. Always consult your owner's manual before approving any service. Question recommendations that don't align with Hyundai's maintenance schedule. Ask for evidence when they claim something needs immediate attention. Get second opinions on expensive repairs. The power dynamic just shifted. You're no longer an easy target. You're an informed consumer who knows the games they play and refuses to participate. Use this knowledge wisely, share it with other Hyundai owners, and help end these predatory practices. The only way these scams stop is when customers refuse to fall for them anymore.